Okay. Oh, my name is Lucas. We are here with Tracy.
Hi.
Tracy, can you speak about your trajectory, your your professional trajectory?
Sure. So my name's Tracy. You can follow me on Twitter at Lady Leet, and do community relations for the Node Foundation, and I'm also a Google developer expert for the web and Angular, and I have a consulting company called Gestat Labs where we do open source lobbying, pairing as a service type thing. So, and a lot of other things, like I'm a Google developer group organizer and a Google Women Tech Makers lead, and yeah, I just love the community. So, oh, and I'm on the RxJS core team. That's probably an important one.
As too many Brazilians have a dream to work here in the United States.
Yeah.
What tips you can do to those people?
I think one of the best ways to get a job, let's say in the US, or start working is just to start contributing to open source. So you don't have to necessarily be that technical to contribute, or you don't have to be a senior developer. If you just start working on issues or documentation or anything like that, or even help program manage different things, these are all very useful things that open source appreciates, and that is the way a lot of different people that I see from different countries are able to be integrated into the tech community in the US. Another really important thing, which you should do too, is get a Twitter handle, because you can do things, but you need to tell people too. And Twitter is the way you tell people that you're doing something. So I know a lot of amazing people from Brazil who I've met on Twitter because they've said what they do, and that's how they get invited to speak at conferences and have jobs here.
What do you think about software engineer from Brazil?
I've met a lot of really great ones.
Great one?
So yeah.
It's a great. And what you can speak about to help the communities, to open source projects, to get involved? What's your tips for this?
I think you should always work on something you're passionate about. So if you're not passionate about it, you shouldn't be doing it. But when you find something you get really excited about, let's say Node.js, go to the GitHub repo, listen in on the conversations, search it on Twitter, see what people are saying, look at the different speakers, go to a conference maybe in your local area, and just get involved. Like, just start talking to people, and you'll find a way.
It's networking.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Networking is so important. Yeah.
I think so that.
About his talk.
What you can speak about your talk?
I ran a panel on frameworks and Node.js. So we invited 2 core team members, one from the Angular core team, Igor Minar, and Justin Fagnani from the Polymer tooling team, and Dan Shaw from the Node Community Committee, and also James Snell from the Node Technical Steering Committee. And we just sat on stage and talked a little bit about Node and frameworks and libraries, and web platform compatibility, and what APIs are missing from Node or from the browser that could be really helpful.
You say that you are a Google expert developer.
Yes. Google developer expert.
Yeah, Google. What's your tip to become a Google expert developer?
So all you have to do is get involved. I've only been doing development for 3 years. So before that I was in business. But I started talking probably a year into my development journey, just talking about what I learned and get people excited about it. So I encourage everybody, even if you're in college or don't feel like you're good enough, you always have something to say. So whether you talk at a local Node meetup and just give a 5-minute talk, that's enough to get started, and you'll see how many people get excited about what you're talking about, and it'll encourage you to speak more. So Google developer experts are people from the community who promote Google technologies, but we become GDEs because we're already doing it, right? So if you just do it and you're amazing, then you'll be rewarded with a Google developer expert dash. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, so thank you.
Thank
Many
you.
thanks.
Yeah, so nice meeting you.
You're so kind.